Howdy guys, today we're doing LeetCode question 2733. I thought this question was a bit silly, so I figured I'd make a video on it. I solved it earlier, but I don't know, this one's a bit funny. I kind of like this one. So 2733, neither minimum nor maximum. Given an integer array nums containing a distinct positive integers, find and return any number from the array that is neither the minimum nor maximum value in the array, or -1 if there is no such number. Return the selected integer. Now this one's kind of weird because it's like, usually all these LeetCode questions, they're usually asking like return the maximum, return the minimum. But this one, it's like, don't return the min or the max, just return any number, pretty much. So as you can see here, in this example, the minimum value is 1 and the maximum value is 4. Therefore, either 2 or 3 can be valid answers. So it's like, oh, okay, well, that's pretty cool. And then since we see here, since there is no number in nums that is neither the maximum nor minimum, we cannot select a number that satisfies the given condition. Therefore, there is no answer. So, I don't know. I thought this one was kind of funny. It was a little silly. I like it. I kind of wish there's more answers like these. They're just different, you know? To solve this one, let's do a simple if check here. So if nums.size is less than or equal to, oops, that's the wrong one. If it's less than or equal to 2, then we return -1, since we just read right here. Since if there's only 2 entries in the vector nums, then they're both the min and max, so we can't return it, so we just return 0. Next, we're just gonna do, oops, we're gonna use the sort function. So nums.begin and then nums.end. And so what we're doing here, we're sorting to make sure that we're not getting, make sure that the smallest number is first and the largest number is at the end. So that's why we're sorting this here. And all we have to do is just return num1. That's all we have to do. It's pretty funny, but yep, that's pretty much it. Because we're always going to know that, okay, at the start of the array. Here, let me pull up Paint real quick. So now that we're in Paint, so if the numbers are sorted, then we'll always know that the minimum of nums will always be at position 0, and then the max is always at position 5. Well, I guess it's 4. Anyway, but anyway, so we just return nums1. And we can return any of these are valid, so we just return num1. It doesn't really matter. So that's pretty much my answer to this one. This one's pretty funny. Oh, I forgot the S and the nums. Just run it real quick. And yep, everything's green. It should be good to go. I think this one's a bit tricky. This one's a bit tricky on the time complexity. I think it's I want to say it's O of n, because we're sorting through, we have to sort the array, so we have to iterate through every single element in nums. So I think this is O of n, but let me know in the comments if I got that right or got that wrong, or if you think otherwise. And yeah, hopefully you have a good day. See you later.